Hey loves, what's up? It's your girl London and I am back with another video tutorial. So this is the client that I am going to be doing today. And in honor of the last video that was very similar to this that got over 100,000 views, I thought, why not put up another video? Now, since this video is just like the previous, I will not do a talk through. However, I will link the very first video using this method in the description bar below. But I do also want to thank you guys. I am now at 5,000 subscribers. So because of that, I am also going to upload another video in addition to this video today as well. So when you finish watching this one and you finish watching the first one, make certain that you cross over to the second video that I'm uploading today. If you have liked, commented, shared my video, if you have subscribed, my loves, I want to tell y'all thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. For my A1s that have been there since day one, from the very first video until now, I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all are the reason I kept the ball rolling. Y'all are the reason that I decided to continue viewing my work on YouTube. I just want to thank y'all so much. For all of you who are new and decided y'all gonna give me a try and are pleased with what I'm presenting, thank you so much. I ask that y'all continue to share, continue to comment, and continue to come back because there's so much more that I want to show y'all. If y'all have any questions or actually any suggestions of videos that you would like to see, I promise I will do my best to try to get a candidate in to allow me to film them and upload it on to YouTube. Also, make sure that you are following my social media. There are a lot of styles that I actually upload on both my Facebook and my Instagram that don't make it to YouTube because I did not do a full video, but I do like a mini before and after. So I think you guys will enjoy that. My Facebook, I am Epitome of London. That is my business page. My personal page for all my loves is London Brown Wilson. You can find me there, especially with all the shenanigans that my family do. And then also I am on Instagram at epitome_of_London. So I'm thinking of uploading a new page onto the Instagram as well. And also, I know that I've been talking about uploading my DIYs and a lot more of my makeup videos, and I have not done that. So I just want to make certain that y'all would enjoy seeing those before I do. So I am going to upload probably this weekend both a makeup video and a DIY video. Make certain that you comment and let me know if you enjoyed it and if you would like to see more of those as well. I want my channel to be kind of well-rounded. Everything that has to do with transformation, that's my thing. That's what I love to do. So I'm hoping that you will equally enjoy those types of transformations as well, because I love doing them. And again, don't forget, make certain that you share these videos. I'm not gonna hold y'all anymore. I'm gonna let y'all finish the rest of the video. I'm gonna stop rambling. But again, thank you so much for all the support. 5,000 subscribers. I'm feeling like a winner. So until I see y'all in my next video, bye loves.